Welcome to the Dot Foods website, your home for exploring, sampling, and sourcing products. In this video, we'll go over some tips to help you get started on our website. To sign in, visit dotfoods.com/shop and enter your email address and password. If you have trouble signing in, click the Forgot Password link to reset your password. To contact website support or get more information, click Login Support. You can also request an account. Once you sign in, be sure to bookmark our website for easy access. Now you can begin exploring. At the top, you'll see links to our new, trending, and best-selling products, as well as links to your sample history, favorites, and order form. Your sample history page will show you items you have previously sampled. You will see distributor pricing as you explore products, but samples are at no cost to you. You can also search for products by entering item numbers or keywords into the search bar. Once you find an item you're interested in, click on it to view more details, including packaging, preparation, nutrition facts, and inventory metrics. Add the product to your sample order or favorites page. You can also email, download, or print product information. You may have noticed this question mark at the bottom. Click to search for Help Center resources and contact our website support team. You can also click your user icon to find a link to the Help Center. Our Help Center has everything you need to use our website, including step-by-step guides and video tutorials. To get back to the website, click Go to Dot Foods at the top. We want to continue updating our website to provide you with the best possible digital experience. Please share your feedback with us using the button on the right. We hope you enjoy the Dot Foods website. If you have any questions, please contact our website support team.